Hey, in this video I am going to reveal one service which is I am offering for my audience for free. Guys, I am offering the service which is free WordPress blog setup. I will set up your WordPress blog for free of cost with the some terms and conditions. Guys, first of all, you have to take the hosting from my affiliate link. You can take the hosting from the companies like Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, A2 Hosting. Those are the currently I am affiliated to. You can take hosting from those companies and you can share the payment receipt with me. So after confirmation, I will start work on your WordPress blog. Guys, this is the service I am offering completely free. Here you will get one doubt. Why I am offering this service for free? As a affiliate to these companies, I will be paid by those companies some commission. So that will be benefit for me. Here, mutual benefit. You will get the benefit. Your WordPress blog will be set up for free for you. That's the benefit for you. So the particular hosting company will pay me the commission. So for me, that's the benefit for me. Here we will both get the benefit, mutual benefit. In this service, I will do the following things like WordPress installing and doing the essential settings for the WordPress, and then I will install the theme. If you purchase the theme, I will install that particular theme on your blog. Otherwise, I will choose the free WordPress theme like GeneratePress and I will install it on your blog. And then I will install the essential plugins like W3 Total Cache, Add Inserter, and WP Forms. Like what are the essential plugins for you? Those plugins I will install on your blog and I will configure those plugins to work properly. And then I will set up the SSL for you. Most of what are the companies I am offering, I am affiliated. Those are Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, A2 Hosting. Those are offering the free SSL certificate with their hosting package. So I will set up that particular SSL for your blog and then I will guide you to post a new post. So guys, this is the service I am offering for you for free. You guys can utilize this service. Here we both get the mutual benefit. You will get the blog set up for free. I am getting the commission from the particular company as a affiliate. Hey guys, I hope this video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.